good.
Here's where I'm at with the Ranger. There's a inner wheelhouse here. I can't get to this area too well. So I'm using, though I have this probably bought it maybe 30 years ago. I don't know. But they make them better. Here's some Matco. Anyways, I had that probably 30 years. It looks brand new because I usually don't use it very often. Usually I just use my tools, my pry tool. Like I knock most of this stand out just using hammers and pry bars. But now I'm just trying to put fine lines back in it, and that's where I'm at. So it's a stud gun, whatever they call it. And they welded these. And here, I'll show you. You got a little slide hammer with it. And where's my other little tool? This one, this light sheet metal. You can put that on here and pull on it. Here's how it works.
Oh, that's real good.
Try to do this with one hand. Then you can just pull on it, maybe hammer, tap it around. So that's how it works. All right, just hammered the bumper back to its original shape. Straightened it out. Didn't take much to pretty soft metal. Here's my hammer. You'll see the underside where I got some of the spots where it was buckled, and there it is. And here's the plastic piece. I'm going to have to heat it up. See, it's all warped from being bent. But as you can see, if you're careful taking these off, you won't break them. You just try to pull on it. But none of the tabs are broken. So I'll get the torch and I'll heat it up and put it back to its original shape. But so far so good. Bumper straight, and all we're gonna need is do a little repair on the corner where it got hit, and we'll paint the bumper.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
It's ready for some filler. Okay, it's gonna be, need to prep it, getting ready for primer, paint. There it is. And I just went, instead of trying to mask off the reinforcement behind it, I went ahead and took it apart. It was rusty, looking, now separated. Don't have to worry about getting overspray on the black, and it just becomes a better job. It didn't take much longer to do it. Just hate cutting too many corners. There it is. Alright, I just finished primering.
Let's get started.
Bad spots in the bumper. Alright, no spot different. base coat on it.
Oh, that's real good.
There's the rear bumper. There's that. Got some base on it. Panel cover. Here are some spray outs.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Doing some block sanding. So guide coat's very important. We're using this powdered guide coat. I like that. You can use the spray can, but I don't know. I like the powder. It just doesn't seem like it leaves a film. But whatever it is, use it. It's really important to get everything straight. But I got quite a bit of primer in there. If I didn't have primer, I'd probably have to re-primer it. But got enough primer in there. But you see all your low spots. But I got enough primer that I could block the rest of it out. But I'm just showing you, I blocked it quite a bit. But your low spots. So that, when you're blocking it, it's just going to make it look good, straight. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, let's get to it. I usually, if it's single stage or a solid color 400. If it's metallic, usually go 600, and then all these other ones, sometimes I'll just scotch pad if I'm blending in, you know, and go 800, 1,000. But there it is, all masked up, ready to go.